Hello everybody, so we will find the sum of this question. We have the sum of from r equal to 1 to n, and we have r power 2 plus 1, everything multiplied with r factorial in here. So I will show the answer for the question. We have r factorial. We multiply with r power 2 and number 1. In this one, we put about r power 2 minus 1 r factorial plus r factorial plus r factorial, because minus 1 factorial r factorial with plus 1 with r factorial, you got about the same in the reverse one, and we can get the next one. R power 2 minus 1, you got about r minus 1 r plus 1 r factorial. In here we have 2 r factorial in here. Because r plus 1 multiplied with r factorial, we can put like this. And here is the next one. We will expand the series in here. We have r equal to 1, 1 minus 1 is about 0. Next one, r equal to 2, and we have 2 minus 1, and you got about 1 in here. 2 plus 1 is about 3 factorial, and then we continue with the next one. We have 2 multiplied with r factorial. We put like this. We have 2 multiplied with 1 factorial in here. We have 2 multiplied with 2 factorial. We put in here. Now we have 3 factorial, 3 factorial. 2 multiplied with 3 factorial plus 1 multiplied with 3 factorial. We got about 3 multiplied with 3 factorial. And similar with other 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 4 factorial, and we have 2 multiplied with 4 factorial. We got about 4 multiplied with 4 factorial, and keep like this. And at the end we remind this one. We have 2 multiplied with 1 factorial. We put about 1 multiplied with 1 factorial. 1 multiplied with 1 factorial in here. And we keep the same like this. So now we have 1 plus n minus 1 multiply with n plus 1 factorial in here. We put in here, and now we have the new story in here. That's about n multiply with n factorial in here. In this one, we have n, and we can put n plus 1 minus 1. Because 1 minus 1 will return back to the n in here. N plus 1 we multiply with n factorial, and minus 1 we multiply with n factorial. We go about like this. We have r equal to 1, so we put number 1 in here, and we put number 1 in here, so we got about 2 factorial minus 1 factorial, and continue this. R equal to 2, we put number 2 in here, so that's about 3 factorial minus 2 factorial until this one. And you know that 2 factorial in here minus 2 factorial in here, so that they will eliminate together, and we got about the simplified form. One minus 1, and we got about this. We have n plus 1 factorial. We put in the factor. Minus 1 plus 1 is become the 0, and we got about n multiplied with n plus 1 factorial. And here is the final answer for the question in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.